Hi and welcome back to Rain or Shine Gardening. This is Katie in Hardiness Zone 8B here in the Portland metro area. And today we are finally getting a little bit of a break from the rain, but it's been really nice. I've been working on a project in my yard to expand some garden beds and kind of redesign the borders. And if you're like me and you have any clay in your yard, we're like all clay here. But if you're like me and you have clay, you know that there's like this sweet spot that you have to dig things when you're not just completely either digging in the soggy, soupy mud, or you have to use a pickaxe and a chisel to try to get through the clay. So we got this sweet spot. Usually in the winter, it is so squishy in the clay that we can hardly even walk through without creating just a big mud mess. But then if you get too far into the summer season, it gets so dried out and so hard so quickly because we don't irrigate our lawn at all that you can hardly even get a shovel into the ground. So this rain has been really nice because we did have a pretty dry April. So I was already worried about trying to dig in the yard, dig in the clay for my borders. But these few days of rain have been really nice to help kind of soften things up again. So today for my video, I I walked around during some of the rain, after some of the rain showers that we did have, and I got some footage of some really beautiful things with raindrops, with the rain falling on them to share with you in today's video. So I hope you enjoy these clips that I took in my garden. There's so many things that are starting to bloom. They really like this shift of a little bit of rain and sunshine. It really is making everything grow on and grow and bloom really well. So enjoy these clips. you.